Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of CoreWeave. CoreWeave is at an inflection zone. It's important to watch the key levels. Today, the stock has gained by 2.9%, and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. Price is below the 950 and 200-day EMAs, showing dominant downside momentum across timeframes. There is a downward gap between $85.00 and $85.32 that remains unfilled. A move to close this gap would mean about a 13.4% rise from here. A falling short-term regression channel is capping price near 99.28. As long as price stays below this short-term resistance, downside pressure dominates. A decisive daily close above this line would be the first warning that the short-term downtrend is starting to lose control. Mid-term resistance is clustered near $89.72. Between the mid-term and long-term objectives, an extra resistance band appears near $187.00. The long-term roadmap is in a build phase, with one of four confirmations in place: downtrend break, and prior high cleared, EMA 50 reclaimed, still pending. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 70 to 130 sessions, or roughly 20.0 weeks. Invalidation sits near $65.22 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is building. Both MACD and RSI are confirming the current strength. In a similar MACD cycle between May 01 and June 25, the price saw a big increase of around 259.9%. From a long-term perspective, price is currently trading below the long-term support zone, which is a warning signal for the broader trend. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price is moving steadily within its short-term channel. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading below the 78%, approximately 106.36 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near 123.59 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 214.91, Fib 1.27, and then 250.41, Fib 1.62. Looking at CoreWeave today, the market is giving us a neutral read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From a trend perspective, the price is currently below its medium-term moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 32.0, while MACD is above its signal line, which hints at building strength in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is close to its 20-day average, and volatility, measured by ATR, is holding relatively steady. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main tactical trigger to keep on the radar is around $89.72. If price manages to close above $89.72 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near $65.22, where this roadmap would start to lose its reliability. On the upside, if the current trend can stay intact, a measured move roadmap to monitor is $267 as the long-term measured move objective, $330 as a 1.618 extension, $431 as a 2.618 extension. On the map ahead, we are tracking the next resistance around $76.60, support near $73.47, a mid-term target around $89.72, a long-term projection close to $267. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or rolls into a deeper corrective phase. Here are the latest updates for CoreWeave. The most recent headline is Analysts Lower CoreWeave, CRWV, Price Targets on Delays. That wraps up this technical analysis on CoreWeave. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.